Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this video we are going to see some comparison of breakdown mechanisms. Which breakdown mechanisms? We will see comparison of Zener breakdown and avalanche breakdown. Okay, first one, breaking of covalent bonds is due to intense electric field across the narrow depletion region. Breaking of covalent bonds is due to intense electric field across the narrow depletion region. This generates large number of free electrons to cause breakdown. Whereas in avalanche breakdown, what is actually avalanche breakdown is breaking of covalent bonds is due to collision of accelerated charge carriers having large velocities and kinetic energy with adjacent atoms. Breaking of covalent bonds is due to collision of accelerated charge carriers having large velocities and kinetic energy with adjacent atoms. This process is called carrier multiplication. Okay. Now we know what is Zener and avalanche breakdown. Okay. Then next one. This occurs for Zener diodes with VBR. VBR is nothing but breakdown voltage is less than 6 volt. The Zener breakdown occurs in Zener diodes when VBR is less than 6 volt. Less than 6 volt itself it will break down. Whereas in avalanche breakdown this occurs for Zener diodes with VBR is greater than 6 volt. When it will break down if it is VBR is greater than 6 volt. Okay. Here temperature coefficient is negative, whereas in avalanche breakdown temperature coefficient is positive. Then coming for next point, the breakdown voltage decreases as junction temperature increases. Junction temperature increases, the breakdown voltage is decreases. Here the breakdown voltage increases as junction temperature increases, direct proportional, here indirect proportional, nothing. Then the VI characteristics is very sharp. This is very important in Zener diode. The VI voltage and current characteristics is very sharp in the breakdown region. Whereas in avalanche breakdown the VI characteristic is not as sharp as Zener breakdown. In breakdown region it is not as sharp as like Zener breakdown. Okay. Occurs for heavily doped diodes, it occurs for lightly doped diodes. Okay, this is the major or important comparison of two breakdown mechanism. We will see again. So, what is actually a covalent breaking of in Zener breaking of covalent bonds is due to intense electric field across the narrow depletion region. This generates a large number of free electrons to cause breakdown. Whereas what is avalanche breakdown? Breaking of covalent bonds is due to collision of accelerated charge carriers having large velocities and kinetic energy with adjacent atoms. This process is called as carrier multiplication. Here breakdown occurs with VBR is less than 6 volt. Here breakdown occurs when VBR is greater than 6 volt. Temperature coefficient negative, here positive. Breakdown voltage decreases as junction temperature increases, whereas here breakdown voltage increases as junction temperature increases. That is what the temperature coefficient positive is here. Here temperature coefficient is negative, which means that only. Okay. Then voltage current characteristics is very sharp in breakdown region. Here is not as sharp when compared to Zener breakdown. It is not as sharp as like Zener breakdown in breakdown region. This is occurs for heavily doped diode, this is occurs for lightly doped diode. This is the comparison of two breakdown mechanisms. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel Off Campus.